Vnice, why do lithium batteries only support 15 parallel batteries, not 16 or more?
Supporting 15 parallel connections generally refer to products used for the residential energy storage batteries, such as the wall mount or the cabinet type products, because the product usually designed with the 4 DIP switches only have the 16 addresses, one of which is used by the host computer, leaving 15 addresses for the parallel connections. But if the customer have the requirements, we can decide 5 or 6 even more DIP switches. For example, if the customer requires very large capacity and low voltage batteries, we can decide several levels of the management and then parallel connection. However, 15 parallel connections are enough for the most client requirements at present, so that it doesn't need more parallel connection